So your lima bean is probably going to split down the middle like this. And then once you have it split open, you should be able to peel this outer seed coat from your seed. And just like a coat that you wear in the winter to protect you from the elements, that's what this seed coat does. And it's really amazing, actually, that such a thin coat can, this coat can protect it from extremes of temperature. It can protect it from, sometimes passing through digestive systems of animals. So something that's super thin really will only react when it's placed in water, right? Because a seed only wants to have the optimal conditions of water and sometimes light. And so this seed coat is only going to become something that you can tear open and take apart when it meets water. So you have your seed coat. That's one of the things we're looking for. And then the next part are these two halves. Oh, great. You have these two halves, these big flat discs, and these are called cotyledons. And I've just learned actually that humans have cotyledons when they're in the placenta, and they serve the same purpose. They are sort of the food storage for apparently human babies as well as plant babies. So all of this is kind of like when you have like a potato or a sweet potato and you have all that nice starch, you have all those nice sugars. This is all for the baby plant to eat up and get started, because a seed is planted in the ground and they're not able to make their own sugars yet from sunlight. So everything they need to get started has to be stored around them in these two cotyledons. The next thing you're looking for is the little tiny baby plant, and mine broke a little bit. I'm going to pull it. The little tiny baby plant, or the embryo, is here usually at the top, and it's tiny little piece. It usually looks like it might even have the beginning of a leaf, and it has a little sprig down like this. So this is actually the baby plant, the embryo. The rest of the pieces that we have, these cotyledons, this is just the food, and they will get eaten up and not replaced. But this is what will turn into whatever your plant is.